This small 3D printed mount has now been used by more than 500 riders. But the first one I made broke. It all started when I wanted to mount a taillight more naturally on my road bike. On the seat post, it always looks like an afterthought. So I designed a sideways mount that tucks under the saddle. My specialized power saddle had both holes at the rear. Using these, the light could sit cleanly under the saddle. The idea was simple, just make it myself. The first model was just for myself. It looked good, but the stress was focused on one spot and it snapped easily by hand. Not good enough to sell. So I rethought the whole structure. I stopped relying on rigid plastic alone. The key was TPU elasticity. A soft TPU band slides into a slightly narrow groove, so it constantly tries to spring back into shape. That force holds the light in place, while resisting pulls in the release direction. Easy to take on and off, yet hard to lose while riding. I was getting close, but challenges remained. The TPU band was hard to grip for some people, so I made a dedicated removal tool. Another big issue was forgetting to pack accessories. Being careful wasn't enough, so I designed a custom box. If a slot is empty, something is missing. How you deliver is also design. A big lesson for me. Step by step, this mount reached over 500 riders. A tiny part, just to turn a light sideways. I fixed what broke, improved usability, and rethought the packaging. Turning small, specific needs into real products, that's the fun of 3D printing. More on the TPU structure and the packaging in another video. If you are curious, consider subscribing.